Hey everybody, it's Jenny. I just wanted to start out by saying that if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you feel so inclined, share this video with someone that likes Plan With Me videos. So we're going to start out this week. We've got a couple of things going on already, but here we are digging deep into my stash. Seriously, I think these stickers are probably from 2018, if I had to guess, super old. And not only that, we are going to be pulling out some old Mambi stickers too. So you can see right there, I have put down the 3 anchor points of my design and then the washi-like strip. I am using these super old Mambi alphabet stickers at the top to spell out spring break. I'm starting with the G because for whatever reason, I always start with the last letter. I do not know why that is. I am sticking to a color palette that mostly matches the stickers that I chose from Shine Sticker Studio. Isn't that crazy? 2018, 4 years old. Oh my gosh, but so cute. So anyway, just lining these up to make sure that they all fit across the top. I'm using mostly a light blue, a light pink, and a light yellow. I will throw in one hot pink because I didn't have any other choice. There wasn't a different color K. Anyway, so I'm spelling across spring break. It is spring break for my 2 older sons, and this is it's a crazy travel week for us, so I'm going to be throwing that in there too. So you can see there's a wide variety of colors, but I really wanted to stick to the pastels so they would match this kit, which is so much fun, by the way, and definitely a step out of what I have been doing recently, but it feels really good to go back, and it feels good to use something for my stash. So come on guys, if you've got any stuff in there that you've been hanging on to, this is the time. Use it. Let me know in the comments below what you decided to use. I really want to hear. I'm serious. Because remember, we're like friends crafting together, right? That's what it always feels like to me. I hope it feels like that to you too. All right, so now I'm going to draw one of my boxes. I might have selected a pre-made box. However, this is flight information for when I'm coming home from New York City. And, you know, flight information, there's like a ton of stuff you want to record, or at least I do. So drawing the box a little bit bigger was important. Absolutely, I probably had something this big, but this worked out okay too. So as you can see, I'm going to do the usual here. I am going to vary where I put the boxes so I can fill things in later and so it all looks great. Though I do think that maybe the following week I might try something different. Not 100% sure yet. We'll have to see when we get there, but I might try it. The only bummer with these old Mambi stickers is they don't always stick the greatest. That's why you see me sticking them back down, like they come up in spots or whatever, which is kind of weird, but it's no big deal. I've had them in my stash since probably, I don't know, 2016 or 17 when I was first on the squad or on the design team, so no big deal there. I am okay with a little extra smushing them down to make sure that they fit. Now, the highlighter that I used for the box is one of those Aloha Star highlighters. I will link you up below. I really do love them, especially now that I'm used to the different nibs on those. And then the Aqua is just a good old mild liner, which, I mean, it's hard not to love a mild liner. They are a really amazing highlighter for sure. Now you can see that I'm going to draw another box on Saturday. As I already mentioned, it's kind of a crazy travel week. The beginning of the week, we're coming back from New York City, and the end of the week, one son and my husband and I are going to Oregon to visit Oregon State. So yeah, just a lot going on around here, but it's cool. We're having a good time. All right, so then I'm going to draw another box for the departure information for the exact same thing. I like to include the airline, I like to include the flight number, the departure time, and the arrival time. It just helps me sort of keep all of these things in check. I know that these are not details that I ever commit to memory. So I'm just going to finish up here, and that will be it for me this week. So quick, right? Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.